Hello, and welcome to Hartman. Today, we're taking a look at the Nouveau collection. This modern aluminium set is the perfect material for outdoor furniture, as it's lightweight, strong, durable, and will not rust. It is easy to clean and low maintenance, giving you more time to relax and enjoy your garden. This on-trend set will add a touch of modern living to any garden space. In the collection is the 3-seat casual lounge set, ideal for seating up to 7 people. The square casual dining set seats up to 6 people. And the rectangular casual dining set, ideal for seating up to 8 people. Also in the collection is the individual lounge chair, which can be added to any set. Hartman's Weatherready deep luxury cushions can be left outside all summer long. The weather-resistant fabric simply allows water to bead and run off. During heavier and persistent rain, the water will penetrate through the seams, flow through the permeable fibres, and exit through the mesh base. Drying times vary due to local conditions. All cushions have removable covers which are machine washable. And for additional comfort, we've added non-slip mats under all of our cushions. All tables and chairs come with adjustable feet to ensure stability and avoid scratching to patios and terraces. The Tuscan ceramic glass top offers an aesthetically pleasing finish, whilst also ensuring durability. It is tempered, easy to clean, and boasts a heat and scratch-resistant surface. The rectangular casual dining set is modular, allowing you to change it for right and left-hand configurations. Hartman. Comfort, design, quality.